Will, what are you doing? Are you gonna crawl on your hands and feet? You're so cute. Hey. Oh, now you're on your knees, huh? Do Crabman. 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 Okay, you have to like walk down to Danny or something. Gonna do your crab walk? Oh, that's half crab. You're just too goofy.
You might not have noticed, Will, but that was completely normal.